Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you there are 15 unusual ways to make an extra $1,000 a month that you probably never thought of? Stick around, because these methods are not only unique but can also be a game changer for your finances. Welcome back to channel, where we explore innovative ways to boost your income, solve life problems, and manage anxiety. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and strategies to transform your life. In today's fast-paced world, the traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer the only path to financial stability. Many people find that their primary income isn't enough to cover their expenses, achieve their financial goals, or save for the future. The rising cost of living, unexpected expenses, and the desire for a better quality of life push us to look for additional sources of income. However, finding extra cash doesn't always mean turning to conventional side jobs or part-time work. Exploring unconventional and creative ways to earn money can open up new opportunities and provide a sense of financial security and independence. These methods not only help to alleviate financial stress but also offer a chance to diversify income streams, develop new skills, and even discover new passions. From leveraging the assets you already own to providing services that cater to niche markets, there are numerous ways to make extra money that go beyond the typical online gigs. Understanding the importance of multiple income streams is crucial in today's economy. It not only provides a cushion during economic downturns but also gives you more control over your financial future. By thinking outside the box and considering less conventional options, you can find ways to earn an extra $1,000 a month. Whether you have a knack for gardening, enjoy spending time with pets, or have an eye for spotting valuable items at thrift stores, there are myriad opportunities waiting to be explored. In this video, we're going to delve into 15 unusual ways to make an extra $1,000 a month. These methods are practical, creative, and can fit into various lifestyles and schedules. Whether you're looking for something that aligns with your hobbies or a way to utilize your existing assets, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in and explore these unique opportunities that can help boost your income and transform your financial situation. 5 unusual ways to make an extra $1,000 a month. 1. Rent out your car. Platforms like Turo allow you to rent out your car when you're not using it. It's a great way to turn your idle vehicle into a money-making machine. By listing your car, you can earn a substantial amount depending on the type of car and the demand in your area. Some users report making hundreds of dollars per month with minimal effort. Plus, Turo provides insurance coverage for your car during the rental period, giving you peace of mind. 2. Pet sitting and dog walking. If you love animals, consider offering pet sitting or dog walking services through apps like Rover or Wag. This side gig not only helps you make extra money but also allows you to spend time with furry friends. Pet owners often pay a premium for reliable and trustworthy sitters or walkers. You can set your own rates and availability, making it a flexible option that fits around your schedule. Plus, it's a great way to get some exercise and fresh air while earning cash. 3. Become a virtual assistant. Many small businesses need help with administrative tasks, and you can offer your services as a virtual assistant on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. As a virtual assistant, you might handle email management, scheduling, customer service, or social media. The demand for virtual assistants is growing, and you can often charge between $20 to $40 per hour, depending on your skills and experience. It's a versatile side gig that can be done from the comfort of your home. 4. Freelance writing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing can be a lucrative side hustle. Websites like Medium, ProBlogger, and Contina can connect you with clients. You could write blog posts, articles, marketing copy, or even ghostwrite books. Freelance writing offers flexibility, allowing you to choose projects that interest you and work at your own pace. With dedication and skill, it's possible to earn a significant income. 5. Offer landscaping services. If you enjoy working outdoors, offer landscaping or gardening services in your local community. Many homeowners need help with mowing lawns, trimming hedges, planting flowers, and general yard maintenance. By providing reliable and high-quality service, you can build a steady clientele. Landscaping is a physically demanding job, but it's rewarding and can pay well, especially during the peak growing seasons. 6. Flip items. Buy low-priced items at garage sales, thrift stores, or online marketplaces, then resell them for a profit on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. This side hustle, known as flipping, can be highly profitable if you have a good eye for valuable items. Commonly flipped items include vintage clothing, electronics, furniture, and collectibles. The key is to research and understand the market value of items, so you can maximize your profit margins. 7. House cleaning services. Offering house cleaning services in your local area can be a great way to earn extra money. Busy families and professionals often look for trustworthy individuals to help keep their homes clean and tidy. You can charge by the hour or per job, and as you build a reputation, you can increase your rates. This side gig requires some physical effort but can be very rewarding and flexible. 8. Grocery shopping and delivery. Sign up with services like Instacart or Ship to do grocery shopping and delivery for others. This side gig is perfect for those who enjoy shopping and want to make money in their spare time. Customers place orders online, and you do the shopping and delivery. It's a convenient way to earn extra cash, especially during peak grocery shopping times like weekends and holidays. 9. Handyman services. If you have skills in repair and maintenance, offering handyman services can be a lucrative side gig. Homeowners often need help with small repairs, painting, assembly of furniture, and other odd jobs around the house. You can advertise your services on local community boards, social media, or through platforms like TaskRabbit. Good handyman services are always in demand and can command a high hourly rate. 10. Rent out your spare room. If you have an extra room in your house, consider renting it out on Airbnb or VRBO. This can be particularly profitable if you live in a touristy area or a city with a high demand for short-term rentals. By providing a clean and comfortable space, you can attract guests and earn a steady stream of income. Ensure you comply with local regulations and offer a welcoming environment to maximize your rental potential. 11. Event planning services. If you have a knack for organization and planning, consider offering event planning services. You can help plan weddings, birthday parties, corporate events, and more. This side gig requires excellent attention to detail and strong communication skills, but it can be very rewarding both financially and personally. As you gain experience, you can charge higher fees for your expertise. 12. Personal chef or meal prep services. If you love cooking, consider offering personal chef or meal prep services. Busy families and professionals often look for convenient ways to enjoy healthy, home-cooked meals without the hassle of cooking themselves. You can prepare meals in your clients' homes or deliver pre-prepared meals to them. This service can be marketed to health-conscious individuals, people with dietary restrictions, or anyone looking to save time. 13. Tutoring. Offering tutoring services in subjects you excel in can be a great way to earn extra money. Whether it's academic subjects, music lessons, or teaching a new language, there's always a demand for knowledgeable tutors. You can work with students of all ages, from children to adults, and set your own rates and schedule. This is a fulfilling side gig that can make a significant impact on someone's learning journey. 14. Photography services. If you have a talent for photography, consider offering your services for events, family portraits, or even pet photography. High-quality photographers are always in demand, and you can charge by the hour or per session. Building a strong portfolio and marketing your services through social media and local events can help you attract clients and grow your business. 15. Rent out your equipment. If you own specialized equipment like cameras, musical instruments, power tools, or camping gear, consider renting them out. Websites like Fat Llama allow you to list your items for rent, providing a passive income stream. By renting out equipment you're not using regularly, you can make extra money while helping others access the gear they need for their projects or hobbies. There you have it. 15 unusual ways to make an extra $1,000 a month. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, these methods can not only boost your income but also offer new experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content to help you achieve your financial goals. Until next time, keep hustling and stay inspired.